Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the EXPLUX A3Pro Max XP600 DTF printer. Click the link below for the best price. Right away, one of the biggest highlights of the A3Pro Max is speed. Compared to popular models like the L1800 or L805, this printer is up to 2 times faster, which makes a massive difference if you're handling bulk orders or working under tight deadlines. Instead of waiting around for designs to finish printing, you can get more done in less time and scale up your production without compromising on quality. The print quality itself is excellent thanks to the XP600 printhead. It's built for consistent, sharp, and vibrant results across a range of materials. Colors come out bold and accurate, fine details are captured clearly, and your designs really pop once transferred onto fabric. On top of that, the A3Pro Max is compatible with multiple materials, which gives you more flexibility to expand beyond just t-shirts. Whether that's hoodies, bags, or other custom products, this printer makes it possible. Another key feature is the anti-clogging design with automatic cleaning. Anyone who has worked with DTF printers knows how frustrating clogged printheads can be, especially if you're running the printer regularly. With the built-in auto clean function, the system takes care of maintenance for you, keeping the printer in good working condition and reducing downtime. That means less hassle, fewer interruptions, and more consistent performance. I also really like the design touches that make this printer easier to use. The foldable 5-inch touchscreen gives you a simple and intuitive way to manage print jobs and settings without needing to rely on a computer for every adjustment. It's user-friendly, responsive, and makes day-to-day operation much smoother. The overall build is solid too, giving you confidence that it's built to handle heavy workloads. One of the standout perks that comes with this printer is the 2-year free ink supply. Ink costs can really add up over time, so having that included not only saves you money but also ensures you can keep production going without worrying about running out. For small businesses or startups, that's a big advantage because it helps lower your operating costs and boosts your profit margins. Altogether, the EXPLUX A3Pro Max XP600 is a smart choice for anyone serious about DTF printing. It's faster than older models, delivers high-quality prints across multiple materials, has smart features like auto-cleaning and a foldable touchscreen, and even comes with a 2-year free ink supply to keep your business running smoothly. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or investing in your first professional printer, this is one that will give you both performance and reliability. Click the link below for the best price.